Templates, Notion, kits, worksheets, and printables are some of the highest-selling digital products of the past decade, and AI makes them easier than ever to create. These assets are simple, useful, and universally in demand across countless niches like productivity, fitness, budgeting, homeschooling, business planning, journaling, and habit tracking. They require no writing skills, no filming, and no technical knowledge. With AI tools, you can generate layouts, copy, prompts, and graphics instantly. Once created, you upload them to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or Notion's template marketplace. These products often sell for $5 to $29 and can generate hundreds or thousands of sales per month. Because they're evergreen and easy to update, they become a reliable, low-maintenance passive income stream with massive scaling potential. Start by choosing a niche and product category. Productivity templates such as planners, calendars, habit trackers, and journals are always in demand. Business templates like SOP documents, marketing checklists, Notion dashboards, and project management kits sell extremely well. Personal lifestyle items, fitness logs, meal plans, budget planners, and self-care journals have huge markets on Etsy and Gumroad. Educational worksheets and study guides can target homeschooling parents, teachers, or students. AI can help you find niches with consistent searches, low competition, and high demand. Ask AI to analyze trending Etsy categories, buyer pain points, bestseller patterns, and underserved markets. Once you identify a strong niche, choose a specific product type. This ensures your template solves a real problem and has immediate relevance to your audience. Next, create your actual templates. Start by letting AI generate the written content, journal prompts, instructions, fields, labels, checklists, goals, exercises, or habit trackers. Then move into Canva, one of the best platforms for designing printable products. Browse ready-made templates and customize them by swapping fonts, colors, layouts, and graphics. You can also use AI tools to generate icons, decorative elements, or illustrations that match your design theme. Keep your layout clean, organized, and easy to print. Many customers prefer minimal, aesthetic designs they can print at home without heavy ink usage. Consider creating multiple variations, like different styles, colors, or sizes, to bundle your products into higher value offers. This increases your earning potential instantly. Notion templates and dashboards are among the most profitable digital products today. With AI, you can build advanced Notion systems even if you've never used formulas or databases before. Start by asking AI to generate database structures, fields, workflows, naming conventions, and even Notion formulas for tasks like progress tracking or automated scoring. Build dashboards for productivity, content creation, finance, fitness, or business operations. Add relations and roll-ups to make your templates dynamic and interactive. Use AI to write onboarding instructions so buyers know exactly how to use each component. Once your Notion template is ready, export it and list it on platforms like Notion's Template Gallery, Gumroad, Etsy, or your website. Notion templates sell for $10 to $99 plus, depending on complexity, making them an incredible passive income stream. Once your templates or Notion dashboards are ready, publish them across multiple marketplaces. Etsy offers massive built-in traffic, while Gumroad and Payhip give you control and easy bundling options. AI can write your product titles, SEO descriptions, tags, and marketing copy. Use AI image generators or Canva mockup tools to create professional product previews. Set up automated digital delivery and customer support so buyers receive their files instantly. To maximize revenue, create bundles such as Productivity Pack, Business Essentials Kit, or Ultimate Fitness Planner, and offer add-on packs like seasonal inserts or holiday themes. You can also use AI to generate content that promotes your templates on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. With the right setup, your template business becomes a hands-off digital asset producing daily income.